to Equality News at 10 in Dow Park. Today we're going to be learning about the Equality Ambassadors and learn what they do.
Now we are going to announce the lucky winner of the Xbox 360. As you can remember, we had a poster competition of our favourite equality characteristic and why is it important. So drum roll please. Lily!
Congratulations, Lynn. I hope you enjoy the Xbox 360.
We're now going to pass it on to Imogen, who will be explaining what the protected characteristics are before we learn about where they are important.
There are 9 protected characteristics from the Equality Act 2010, and they are race and ethnicity, disability, religion or belief, age, sexual orientation, sex, gender reassignment, pregnancy and maternity, marriage and civil partnership. Now take a moment to look at the protected characteristics of the Equality Act 2010 and familiarise yourself with them.
Thank you very much, Imogen, for explaining the protected characteristics very clearly. Next, let's pass on to Amy
for a local equality weather report.
So, over here at Dow Park, where our lovely presenters are, it is showering with equality and there's a rainbow equality, which is really good. Over here at St Philip's, there is a lovely little equality sun over there who's smiling. Over here at Stockport High and at the Go Local, it is showering with equality. And over here at the library, we have no news of equality yet, but we hope we get some. And over at the field, there's just a couple of puddles of equality, which means it was raining earlier. Oh look, an equality meeting. Back to you, Pixie.
Miss Kennedy, what protected characteristic do you think Dow Park is the best at?
Well, it's hard to choose, there's all of them, but I would say race and religion, because they all welcome in this school no matter what.
That is beautiful, thank you.
Now, to Conan and Lucy for one of our very serious matters of our protective characteristics with our sexual discrimination, peer-on-peer abuse.
Even though peer-on-peer abuse isn't a protected characteristic,
we need to be aware of it to make our school more equal. Peer-on-peer abuse is where a child abuses another child.
peer-on-peer abuse is not acceptable in school or out of school.
Peer-on-peer abuse could be
Inappropriate touching,
upskirting,
which is when people use mobile devices to take pictures of people's skirts, which is terrible.
Oh look, it's our time for our daily walk. Let's go.
We are now in Dow Park school premises. We are looking for equality ambassadors to interview.
Oh look, I found one. Cohen. Hi, Cohen.
Hi. What is the best thing about being an equality ambassador?
The best thing about being an equality ambassador is how long you can help people for and what you can do to do and promote equality.
That is very true. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
That was very true words from Cohen. Amy Young. Hi. So, what protected characteristic have you chosen today?
I've chosen religion.
And why did you choose that?
Mainly because I am religious as I'm Christian, but also because if people want to believe in gods or if they want to be religious, it's their opinion and it's their option.
Thank you, that is very true.
It's very comforting thought.
Grace! So what protected characteristic have you chosen?
I have chosen race
And why?
because I believe that no matter whether someone has a different skin colour from you or they come from a different place, they should be treated with respect and the way you want to be treated.
I believe that too.
Thank you very much, Grace. There's 2 equality ambassadors. Summer, we'll go with you first. So what is your protected characteristic?
Gender.
And why?
Because sometimes when boys play football, they sometimes don't let girls play because they're girls.
That is very true. Thank you very much. Imogen.
What protected characteristic problems have you dealt with in the past?
Well, it wasn't really me, but the entire equality ambassadors have been dealing with people using equality terms in inappropriate ways, but we have learned to deal with them, and if they happen again, we will do whatever we can to stop them.
Thank you very much.
This is very good news.
As you can see, we are working very hard here at Down Park to make things very equal and protect the characteristics.
Go.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Next, let's pass on to Amy for the local report.
Yes.
I can't do it.
Action.
I'm so sorry.